Welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to be showing you how to add filters to a video in CapCut PC. Filters are very useful. You can actually use them to create a very unique style for yourself, and it's going to make it stand out in a way. So your video might just be in a certain color scheme and you want to just add filters to it to give it a different look. It's super easy to do with CapCut PC. Thanks to its AI capabilities, we can do that easily. So for this one, I'm going to use this couple picture we see here, video. So we're going to be using this one. Sorry, we have 4 in the timeline just because we brought them in together. So we have 4, but we just need just one. So I'm just going to delete, right, and click on this and bring this in. This is the one I want to use. So now to put in filters, we're going to be putting different filters on this. So I would like to cut the video into different parts because I'll be putting 4 different filters just to show you how filters work and what you can do with it. Okay, so I'm just going to do Ctrl B, right, Ctrl B. I'll move again, another Ctrl B. You can actually click on S, and just with S you have this orange line. You can just hit on where you want to cut and hit it. So it should cut. Okay, should cut, but it's not working here. I don't know why. So I'll just do one more and do Ctrl B. So now we have 4. We're going to start with this very first one here. Okay, and then we'll go to filters. Now we have a lot of options. You have live, you have scenery, we have movies. Okay, it's totally up to you what you really want. So if we go to movies, for instance, we have GTA and the likes. So I'll just pick one and just show you how it's going to look on this particular video. And then I'll just try to pick one from every, as you can see. So we've added this filter. Okay, it's not added yet. It's just showing you how it's going to look. So now if you put that on this first clip, as you can see, you see it gave it a different color scheme. As you can see, if we move over, you see we are back to that first color scheme. And then we'll try to add a different filter to this one. For instance, let's do live. Okay, so we have live. Let's throw in this one, or let's use this. I'm just going to show you different filters so that you have an idea of how much and how many you can use in your video. As you can see, there's something you would have noticed in this particular one. With your filters, as you can see, let's move to the third clip. You can see the difference between this clip and this very clip with the filter on it. As you can see, it's brightened it up a bit and gave it more life. And if you look to your left, we have what we call intensity. You can actually reduce the intensity if you don't want it to be much, or increase it. So that's just the second filter. Let's go to scenery, and I'm just showing different kind of filters you can apply. Ocean eyes, let's use ocean eyes and see how ocean eyes is going to look. And let's bring ocean eye into this image, and you can see ocean eye is giving us a different feel to this video. All right, so this is ocean eye. Okay, so you can see how ocean eye is looking different from this and different and this. So let's go on one more, and let's do night or retro. Retro is kind of good, you know. You have this Los Angeles kind of feeling, Miami feeling. So let's do this Miami one, for instance. And you see how interesting it's going to be looking, just see the way it is. So it gives you that, you know, that sunny look to it. And this is just one way of doing it. Some people just use it this way, more like a color grading, but trust me, this is not color grading, because color grading, you need to balance a lot of things. I'm just showing you 4 different filters and how AI made this possible. You can again reduce the opacity or intensity, and you can see how it's looking. I hope this was interesting. You can also do for food if you're into food photography, for instance. You can actually do it for food. It's a lot, trust me, and they are very interesting to do. I hope this filter tutorial was very helpful. In the next one, we are going to go into effect, how to use effect in CapCut PC desktop app. So make sure you stick around. Let's get into the next lecture. Stay safe.